Hello friends, welcome to Mrs. Fisher's PE class. Even though we can't be together, we can still exercise together to stay fit, flexible, and strong until we meet again. So stand up and join me as we get our hearts pumping. Okay friends, to begin with, we're going to put our feet shoulder width apart, arms up at 90-degree angle. We're just going to turn side to side. Something we've never done before, but hey, what's wrong with trying something new? Let's do that 10 times. Now we're going to do 10 big arm circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Back the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I'm going to teach you something new. We're going to stand in an X shape with our feet way apart. We're going to do what are called windmills. We're going to do 10 of those. You're going to take your left hand and reach down to your right foot. We're going to go 1, stand straight back up. 2, we're just going to alternate back and forth. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right. Okay, for these activities, you're going to have your 2 different balls and your jump rope, and we're just going to simply do various activities with them. First thing we have to do is the same thing we did earlier last week, I believe, is just roll the ball along the rope, but we're going to use the bigger ball this time. Set that on the ground, use your foot, and you're just going to follow that rope that you laid in a curly pattern. Use your foot to move that ball along the rope. Okay? Remember, move down the rope with it. When you get to the end, switch feet and go back the other direction. Maybe. All right. Just move that ball all the way down that rope. Good, working on your balance. Okay, do that several times for me. Next activity, you're going to need your brother, your sister, your mom or dad to help you, because we're going to do a bounce pass, a chest pass, and an overhead pass. Okay? And each time you pass, I would like you to take a step backwards and get further away from the person you're doing this with. Here's how that's going to do. This is a bounce pass. Okay? And then chest pass. And then we're going to go overhead. Practice that 6 or 7 times. Remember to take a step back each time. And then after you get done with that, I want you to use the smaller ball. All right, when you get done using the big one, I want you to grab your small one. Do the same thing. Bounce pass, chest pass, and overhead pass. Have fun with that, friends. Is you can use the big ball or your small ball, but I want you to use both of them. What you're going to do is with one hand, you're going to get up next to a wall like this. And you're going to use one hand and move that ball all the way up the wall, as high as you can reach, okay? And then move it all the way back down using one hand. Okay, don't let it fall. And when you get to the bottom, switch hands Go to the other hand, move that ball all the way to the top. High as you can. And move it all the way back down. Only use one hand at a time, okay? Then after you get done with that one, I want you to get your smaller one and do the same thing. Move that ball. Roll that ball all the way up, okay? Don't cheat by moving it like this. I want you to actually roll the ball. Roll the ball with your hands. All the way up, as high as you can. All the way back down. Roll that ball. It wants to go kind of fast. Roll that ball. Switch hands. Use your other hand. Move that all the way up, as high as you can, and then all the way back down. And then what you're going to do, I want you to practice 10 times. Bounce that ball. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Switch hands, do it with the other one. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. After that, you're going to toss it and catch it 10 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, you did that with the big one. Now we're going to do the little one. You're going to bounce it 10 times with each hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Switch hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then toss and catch up in the air. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I hope you're still practicing your kicking, your catching, your bouncing, and your throwing while you got that ball out.